Deck surface fading from the sun is a total pain, but slapping on some UV-resistant sealant can seriously save your wood and keep it looking fresh. So, first off, always clean your deck thoroughly before you even think about sealing it. Scrub off dirt, mildew, and old finish so the sealant sticks right. Next, pick a sealant that specifically says it's UV resistant because regular stuff won't cut it when the sun's beating down like crazy. Apply the sealant on a dry day with little wind so dust and leaves don't mess up your work. Use a brush or roller to get an even coat, and don't rush. Let each layer dry completely before adding another. Usually, 2 to 3 coats do the trick for solid protection. Don't forget to hit the edges and under railings where the sun sneaks in too. Check your deck every year or two and reapply sealant as needed to keep that sun damage at bay. Oh, and if you notice cracks or splinters before sealing, sand those down first so you don't trap moisture under the sealant. One of the biggest mistakes with preventing deck surface fading is skipping the cleaning step. If your deck's dirty, the sealant won't bond well and you'll end up with peeling or patchy spots. Fix that by power washing or scrubbing before sealing. Another common issue is using a sealant that doesn't have UV protection. It might look good for a bit but fades fast, so always check the label for UV resistance. Lastly, many people only apply one coat thinking it's enough, when really, multiple coats are what keep your wood safe from sun damage over time, so don't be lazy with recoating. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about deck repair and sealing. Plus, it helps contractors connect with real clients needing work, making it easier for everyone to get their projects done right.